Nung nakita mo ba siya noon?
Ito na, sabi ko. Siya na yun.
To the place where you and I were supposed to meet. The city owns the echo on, my thoughts are spinning on and on my head. It seems they lead me back to you.
May these crowds remind you to always be that great man with a passionate heart. To your profession, as you are, I'm always proud of you. I love you, Pao. Pao, thank you. I love you.
May this key remind you, you're my home. Chuse. Laban. Thank you. Love you.
So I'm coming home to you.
Pag kasi kasama ko siya parang ano lang, yung walang stress, kalmado lang, ganun. Parang nakatulong din na friends kami agad.
Took the morning ride, gotta leave this all behind. For you is where I want to be. Maybe it's fate that we can't control. Go round and around it goes.
Thank you kay ganda-ganda. Pero gusto kong masanting lalaki. Pero gusto kong may ating takot eh. Makaluluran ako. No words could ever be beautiful how much they meant to me. I will spend my lifetime searching for the right one.
From the moment that I saw you, na natotoxic pero nakangiti pa rin. Pagod na pero napaka-dedicated at napakabait pa rin sa duty. At kung gaano kakabait sa iyong pamilya, I already knew that you are really a good man.
And my weary heart has come to rest in yours.
Thank you for making me feel love and for giving me this kind of love. A love that is so kind. Yung love na napakakalmado at yung love na ating pahinga sa araw-araw.
Sa ating duyan, magmamahal o mahiwaga. Time magka
your beautiful eyes, to your caring heart, to you, radiant smile. There is no part of you I don't cherish.
Thankful ako kay Lord kasi isang tao na may mabuting puso na katulad mo ang napili niya na makakasama ko sa aking new life chapter at ang makakasama ko sa pagtanda.
Mahiwaga, pipiliin ka sa araw-araw. Mahiwaga, ang nadarama sa'yo'y malinaw.
I promise that I'll take care of you. I'll always be by your side. Through ups and downs, I will love you forever.
Today and always, I promise to love you unconditionally and forever. With all that I am, I give you myself to you. I love you.
Thank you sa 29 years na ilagaan niyo ako and alam ko ngayon ready na ako and hindi ko naman papasukin to kung hindi ako ready. And dadaling ko lahat ng aral na binigay sa akin. Yun lang. Thank you. Love you.
Mahiwaga, pipiliin ka sa araw-araw. Mahiwaga, ang nadarama sa'yo'y malinaw. Mahiwaga, wag nang mawala araw-araw.
Hear me now, kiss you right.